Okay, I think people need to start calling me Mrs. Fix-It. Anyway, so if you bought a GE dishwasher, sorry about it. I bought mine just over a year ago, so of course there's no warranty. So anyway, I called a repair guy and asked him how to fix it. I booked him for Friday, but he explained to me how to do it. So I already did it and I already fixed it, which I'm super happy about. But so I'm just gonna, I took the bottom drawer off because I'm gonna do it again to show you guys how to fix it. I'm not gonna just leave you guys in the lurch. So first thing, it said EI here. It wasn't working, it said EI. Error code. And then of course I looked it up like a normal person, and all the other YouTubes say, take the dishwasher right out. And I'm like, well, how do you do that? Anyway, this is what you actually do. So I took that off. And you have to take this stuff out of there. Take this off first. Then you pull this screen off. Give them a rinse. I already did this. Oh, there's a hunk right here. Chuck that. There's a few things. You have to not put hunks of food in your dishwasher. Jesus, look at that. This has already been washed. Okay, and then you pull this out. So you just rinse all that. And there's gonna be a bit of water in that. And if there's not, put some water in it. Only thing you need to get is one of these handy dandy plungers. See, it's pretty small. And you just throw it in here and plunge it like it's a toilet, like this. Try to get that water, force it through. Oh yeah, there's one thing I forgot to tell you to do. Before you start plunging it, or I guess it doesn't matter, you have to go to your breaker in your, wherever you keep your breaker, and turn the breaker off. Okay? And then you do this. Do this for a few minutes. I don't know why I just did it for a few more minutes, since I already did all this. Anyway, I'm gonna give this another rinse for fun. Rinsed it. And then just plunk everything back in. Even though there's water in it, whatever. Put that in first. And this goes like this way, not like up like that. As if, you know, you want everything to drain. Like that. Whoops, I actually put it the wrong way. Like that. Like that. And put that in. And then, yeah, okay. And then put your drawer back in. I'm gonna have to put the camera down for that. I just put the drawer back in. Run to your breakers and turn the breaker back on. Shut your door. And then, I don't know what it was on before, but it had, you know, it might have been messed up before. Like when I first turned mine on, it said like 2 or something. So I just hit cancel and then it went down. Oh, mine just started. Okay, I just hit cancel again. So what it does, it gives you a minute. I don't know why. It counts down. It's like, well, if we're canceling, we're doing a 1-minute countdown. Okay, whatever. I mean, at least it doesn't say error. It's done its 1-minute countdown. Maybe it's counting down because it's wanting to make sure it takes all the water out of there. Looks good to me. See if she works. Make sure you put your soap in. Okay, so I don't know. Let's put it on normal. Let's put on heavy. Let's put on high temp. And start. So that's how you fix a stupid GE. Yay. Hope you like having a dishwasher that works.